Let's see how to create a Google AdSense account, which is what you are going to use to get paid on YouTube. We can simply search for AdSense on Google and click on the first option. Click on Sign Up and choose a Gmail account. On your site, we're going to select I don't have a site yet. I don't want to keep getting AdSense emails because we're going to use this AdSense account just for YouTube. If you are getting paid for showing ads on your website or mobile app, it will be a good idea to receive performance suggestions from Google. Now, for your payment country or territory, you need to select the country you live in, or at least a country where you can receive a letter you'll get from Google to verify your identity and address. Take into account you can change the country you selected. If you would like to change it, you will have to create a completely new AdSense account. Eventually, you'll need to fill a tax form. So bear in mind that creating an account using your relative's name could play out wrong eventually. You have to use your own info, real info. That's my advice, okay? For country, I'll choose the US, and now you have to agree with the terms of service. Then you can proceed to create your AdSense account. And that's pretty much it. You have created your AdSense account. Of course, everything is not so simple, especially when you are dealing with payments, and in some cases, international payments. Now, you'll need to fill up some forms about you. Here, where it says tell us about you. On Connect your site to AdSense, you don't need to put anything because we're going to use it for YouTube. On the left side, Ads is for the ads running on your website. Sites is for managing your sites you have connected to your AdSense account. We're not going to use any of these. But down here, you are going to see the payments menu. Here's where you're going to add your info and your bank account in order to get paid. And verification check is usually the tricky part, or at least it is for people living in countries with a poor mail service. Why? Because once you have filled up all your info correctly and you hit the $100 threshold, they are going to send you a letter with a PIN to verify it's you and also your address. If you don't complete this step, you won't get paid. It's that simple. Now let me show you the AdSense account I'm using for this specific YouTube channel. As you can see, I didn't connect any site to it. But once you link your YouTube account, this section will come up, AdSense for YouTube. Here you can see my last payment after the taxes. You can see I have obviously completed my address verification. Now, let's say you have your YouTube channel up and running and you have finally met the YouTube Partner Program requirements. What you are going to do is to go to YouTube Studio, click on Earn on the left menu, and where it says Getting Paid, you'll see the option to link up your AdSense account. That's pretty much it. Once you submit your AdSense account, it will take like 48 hours to sync, and that's it. Every month between the 21st and the 25th, you'll get paid as long as you reach the $100 threshold.